Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable side button to wake Siri. So if you press your side button on iPhone and you say type to Siri or it wakes Siri, then this video is going to walk you through. Or you can easily disable this so that each time you press the side button on your iPhone, this is not going to wake Siri or type to Siri. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to disable or turn off side button from waking Siri, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone, and then on the settings page you just need to scroll down, locate and click on Siri and search. On iOS 18, click on Siri, then scroll down. Here, locate and click on talk to Siri. Once you click on talk to Siri, then disable press side button for Siri. Once you disable press side button for Siri, so if you go ahead and press the side button, it should say Siri disabled. This is not going to wake Siri and it's not going to pop type to Siri. So that is basically how to disable Siri side button. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.